Pixel offers a variety of advanced features to help you get the most out of your phone's camera. You can use Top Shot to take a burst of photos when people are in the picture to make sure you get the perfect shot. You can also use Motion Photo to capture a few seconds of video when taking a photo. To turn on Top Shot, at the bottom left, tap the Photo Settings icon. Set Top Shot to Auto. Set Motion Photo to Auto or On. Tap the shutter button to take a photo. To see your photo, on the left of the shutter button, tap the Photo Preview. Your Pixel may automatically suggest a recommended shot. To take a detailed close-up photo, use Macro Focus. Move close to your subject. The camera will automatically switch to macro mode, and you'll see the macro icon at the top of your screen. To zoom beyond the optical lens limits, use ProRes Zoom to zoom all the way up to 100x. Pinch the screen or touch and hold the zoom option, then adjust the slider to zoom in. The camera will stabilize and track when you're highly zoomed in. To focus on a subject, tap on it. To take the photo, tap the shutter button. You can use Video Boost to improve the quality, color, and details of your videos. To turn on Video Boost, tap Settings. Turn on Video Boost. Immediately after you record a video, you can watch, edit, or share the initial video in the Photos app. The boosted video will take more time to upload and process, depending on the size of the video and your internet connection speed. You will receive a notification when your boosted video is ready to preview in the Photos app. The boosted video will have a Video Boost icon.